What is up, guys? In this video I will be playing Surfers. So this is going to be my new series and I hope you enjoy it. So let's get started. So once this has loaded up, start playing, obviously. Let's go. Let me turn the volume up a little bit. Oh yeah, wait. Just 1 second. Thank you. You guys, turn the volume down a little bit so you guys can hear me. I think they should change the sort of tune to this. You know what I mean? Oh shit. Oh yeah, by the way, tell me if you like this dot or not. See this dot thing? You like it or not? It's annoying. Whoops. Let me try again. Okay, so basically I heard that it looks better without this dot thingy because it looks like it's just about to hit and there's nobody there to hit, but it just swipes, so it looks really cool. So I might do that. Why am I so bad at this? Alright, wait. I'm gonna stop commentating for a bit. Alright, so get every single coin. How do you get by hitting the beach? How does that make any sense? Jetpack. Oh, this. Let's go. Bang. Give me the A. I want the A. Give me the A. Give me the A. I want an A. Don't get. Okay, forgot it. Aloha. This is gonna be fun. Hopefully. Unless you guys find this series boring. The next videos of surfers, not servers, will be without the dot, like telling you where my finger is, because then it might look cooler. And then I want you to like tell me which is better, the one with the dot thing. So yeah. I know I should get the coins on the side. Let's go. Oh! No! Bang. Okay. So that's I'm just going to play that for today, and I'm also going to show you something else today. How I screen record. Okay. What you have to do is you have to download this thing called Mobizan, and this does not require root. See, it's MOBIZN or ZEN. Okay, Z and Z is the same thing, but like some people like calling it Z or something like that. Okay, so yeah, what you have to do is you have to download this one, okay, and what this does is this is the actual screen recording thing, and just exceptions do everything, but don't open it. Don't open it yet, okay? Then what you have to do is you have to this one, okay? you have to download this specific one, the one right next to it. And what this allows you to do is it allows you to connect to your computer, although it doesn't use your computer at all. So it's very strange. It does not require root, and it totally works. So when you open this, this is what it should look like. So it goes to my Gmail here. Okay, this one here, and this is my thingy, and this. When you press this, it brings this, and when you keep this pressed, when you're not recording, there should be a little X there, and you just put it into there, and then it'll go away. It's quite simple. And then if you want to stop recording, you just press that stop recording button there. It was there. Okay, but I don't want to press it right now, so yeah. So yeah, that's how you technically record. It's quite simple. It's pretty straightforward. Box me. So make sure you download this Mobizen and also the other thing. So download this one and this one. This one you cannot open, do anything with it. It's not even a widget. It's nothing. It's just a thing that connects to your computer. Although it doesn't really connect at all. So yeah, all of these, all the rest of these require root. Or to get that, okay? So good. Peace out, guys. See you later in my next video.